Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor. Want to let you know about a Zoom that we have coming your way. This is going to be on August 14th. We're going to do this from 12 to 2, Zoom exclusive. Get on the first page of Google in days. I'm going to walk you through Google MyMaps and specifically how to go out and use these maps for your business. This is a great way to show your inventory as an individual agent, team, or if you're a new agent, how to showcase all of the listings and all of the buyers that your brokers has ever had, so you can showcase your expertise because you're associated to that brokerage. So it's a great tool to help get more visibility online. And the best part about it, it's actually pretty easy and it's pretty fun to do. So we're going to be doing that on August 14th, 2024, courtesy of Lawyers Title. All you got to do is click on the link below to get signed up, and then they will send you the Zoom link and you'll get signed up. And the cool thing about this is a completely free class unless you would like to earn 2 hours of CE credit. And then if you do, it's just $20 for that. So everybody else can join for free. So we'll see you then. Thanks.